Hi guys. It's Thursday and I'm very excited to be able to kind of be here even though I'm not here. And we are going to begin our L to J quiz. So please make sure that you have out a scratch piece of paper and a pencil and your grading utensil so that we can begin. Remember, you only need to write down the number and letter of the question and your answer. Okay, so the first problem that we will do is 7a. 7a says to solve the following using the distributive property, and it's 3 parenthesis 2x plus 16. Go ahead and look at the answers given and write down A, B, C, or D, depending on what you believe the answer is. Please pause the video now so that the students can have a minute to write down their answer. Okay, our next question is 12b. 12b says to look at the spiral squares in the picture. Both are proportional in size. What is the ratio of their heights? Again, please write down the letter of your choice and pause the video now so the students can have a moment to write down their answer. Okay, our next question is 23C. 23C. 23C says Maria is celebrating her birthday party at a local pizza parlor. The all-you-can-eat meal costs $5 per adult and $3 per child. She wants to stay under a budget of $170 for the party. Which inequality would represent this math problem? Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, the next question is 25A. 25A says Bob wants to display his 66 DVDs on shelves. Each shelf holds 30 DVDs. How many shelves will Bob need to display his entire collection? Pause the video now. Okay, next we have 37A. 37A. And 37A says the point A has the coordinates 3, 4. What point do we get when we reflect A across both the x-axis and the y-axis? Go ahead and write the letter of the reflected point. Pause the video now. Next, we have 44B. 44B says, what is the volume of this cube? Go ahead and write the number for how many cubic feet the volume is. Pause the video. Okay, and our next one is 55C. 55C. What can you conclude from the data represented in the stem and leaf plot? Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, and the last one is 59A. 59A. Most students have between blank and blank bags. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, now you have finished your L to J quiz. Please go ahead and make sure that your first and last name is on the top. Please put all pencils away, and if the substitute would go ahead and collect the tests and randomly distribute them out to the students so that they can grade them. So students, you should have out your grading utensil, and that's it. Once you get your paper, please put your name at the bottom in your grading utensil so that we know who to ask if there's any problems with the way that you graded. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the answers. So 7A, the answer would be B. It is 6x plus 48. Again, the answer is B. Next is 12B. The answer is C, 3 to 4. Again, the answer is C. Next problem. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Computers, you know? All right, so next answer is 23C was C. Again, 23C is C. Next is 25A, and that answer is B, 3 shelves. 25A is B. Okay, next is 37A. 37A, you would get D when you reflected across the X and Y axis. Okay, next is 44B. The volume is 27 cubic feet. So 27 would be the answer. 55C, you can conclude that A, there is a peak in the data in the 30s. And 59A, most students have between 60 and 79 bags. Okay, so now that you've finished grading, please write down how many points the person got, so plus, and then however many answers that they got correct at the top. At this time, substitute if there's enough time, please have the students get their packets that are on the door of the closet and complete the graph for the third test and also check mark all of the answers that were correct. If there is not enough time, go ahead and just collect all of the tests, paper clip them together, and write the period number on the first one, and go ahead and just put them on that green table, and we'll finish up on Monday. Kids, I hope that you're making good choices and doing a good job for the substitute. All right, guys, we'll see you on Monday.